What's good, everybody? I'm here with another vlog after so long. I haven't posted any content up, and I'm gonna explain to you guys at the end of this video exactly why I haven't got a chance to post and why I took a little break from YouTube. But for right now, let me show you the coupe, man. Let me update y'all. Even though I really didn't get a chance to do anything on any of the cars, but I'm gonna show you the car and update you guys on what's going on. So I got the coupe right here with me, and I left the car parked for so long that I guess I ruined the battery. So I try to charge the battery, it's not holding charge, and I guess I'm gonna have to replace the battery soon. But as you guys can see, everything's the same on the coupe. Nothing really has changed. The last thing I did was the cluster, actually. Now I got a fully functional cluster, and that was the last thing I did. As far as the rotors and the pads in the back, I still have to change that, paint those calipers, and I need to get a realignment because I never took it to a line. So, but the car is filthy. I haven't got a chance to do really anything on the car, but I'm gonna tell you guys why and what's been going on. I felt like I had to drop a video to let you guys know what's going on because I've been getting a lot of messages like, yo, what's up with the videos, what's going on? And when I explain to you guys what's going on and what happened, you guys are gonna understand why I took the little time off. But I'm back now, and whenever I get a chance, I'm gonna drop a video for you guys. With that being said, let's get into a little bit of drone footage. Let's get it. Okay, so let's get to the bottom of why I took this break from YouTube for almost about a year. For those that follow me on YouTube and Instagram, you guys know that I kind of been, laid back with the content, not really putting anything out. But there's a perfect explanation for what's been going on. Also, if you're new to the channel, you might not know that I took a break or whatnot, and you're just getting to know me. But if you are getting to me now, make sure you go check out my previous videos and check the timestamps, and you'll see I took this little break from putting out content. So what's been going on is, as of last year, I actually had my first child, which is my son, and that takes up so much time from you that you wouldn't even believe it. Many of you guys that are fathers, mothers, you know how time consuming that is. So at first, when he was born, I did like one last vlog, which I was dealing with like the cluster and I guess putting the LEDs or whatnot and installing the cluster. But after that, I really wanted to take the time to spend it with my son, and at the same time, soak it all in and spend as much time as I could with him, like during that first year. So he's about to be 1 year old, and I wanted to spend this time with him and just, kind of bond and make it, it's my first child ever. So it was like, this is my first time experiencing this. So I actually wanted to, like, take it all in or whatnot. So that's kind of why I haven't been putting out content. But also, in this past summer, I actually bought a boat. And I don't know if you guys want to see boat content, because many of you guys are watching me for the car content and the Hondas or whatnot. But if you guys ever want to see boat content in the future or whatnot, just throw it down below if it's something interesting that you guys would like to see. But also, I took on the hobby of fishing, and this is exactly why I got the boat or whatnot. I'm kind of crazy like that. When I want to do something and my mind gets to something, it's like, you know what? I want to fish. I want to take on this new hobby. We fishing? All right. Let's get that boat then. So I went and bought a boat. I did a lot of work on it, trying to get it up to par, to my standards, and I still got to do some more work to it when the season starts again. Here in New York, it's kind of difficult because in the winter you have to take your boat out the water and put it away. And then in April, once again, I get to put my boat back in the water. But between me getting that boat and fishing, and then wanting to spend all the time with my son for this first year and actually, soak it all in, that took up so much of my time, and I really haven't had time to, like, go to Big Red and do content, or I got so many parts even for the coupe that I still have to put on, and I want to do everything for you guys so you guys can see it, but my time is kind of like real tight now. But as time goes on, I'm gonna try to put more videos out for you guys so you can enjoy, because I know a lot of you guys give me a lot of positive support and show a lot of love. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try every chance I get. I'm gonna try to pump out a video for you guys so you guys could, like, more or less see what's going on. Maybe it's not gonna be like so many videos back to back, but I'm gonna try my best to keep you guys up to date and not take such a long break like this from YouTube again. But everyone that's been reaching out with, like, messages and stuff like that, I just want y'all to know I love y'all. And if you're a father out there, please, spend that time with your kids, show them love, and try to be there as much as you can, So that's just one thing I want to explain to you guys. I don't know, maybe some people going through rough times and don't have time to spend with their kid or whatnot, but please try to be there for your child and show them love, and also, like, learn from them as they grow, So that, I think that's just a beautiful thing, but that's a little bit off like topic, but that's just something I wanted to put out there for you guys. So as far as Big Red, I know many of you guys want to know about Big Red. I actually was trying to sell Big Red, and I was just trying to testing water, see what's going on, see if anybody was interested, because I had some different plans in mind. But in all reality, I still have her, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with Big Red. I don't know if I'm gonna part it out and go a different direction. I don't know if I want to sell her. I'm gonna need you guys' help, man. Put it in the comments below and let me know, like, what you guys think about Big Red, because honestly, the whole drag racing thing, I don't know if I'm gonna have the time to like, go to events and stuff like that. So I was thinking about putting Big Red back into more of like a street car, and maybe even switching platforms, getting rid of the B series stuff and maybe go K all motor for the street. So I don't know. I'm still debating what to do with Big Red, because it's like sometimes I just get bored of things, and maybe I just leave it like that. Let's see what happens though. But I'm gonna do a vlog showing you guys what's going on with Big Red. And honestly, I haven't even washed Big Red like maybe like in 6-7 months. It's just been put away, relaxing, So maybe next vlog we go see Big Red and see what's going on with Big Red. But I'm still debating what I'm gonna do with Big Red. So I don't know. Maybe you guys could help me out. Let me know like what you guys think. And the coupe, we still gotta finish putting all the other parts I got on the coupe and get it tuned. I actually got a Honda S300 for it. I got so much stuff I can't even like really put everything together and tell you guys right now. But I'm gonna see if I get a chance to go to Big Red, probably organize my garage a little bit and turn her on, and also like get her washed because I know she has to be dusty. So with that being said, man, I'm gonna show you guys a little clip maybe of my boat, and so you guys can get an idea what kind of boat I got and what type of style of boat. And you can see me probably driving the boat. I'm gonna put the clip right here right now, so check out the clip. Well, now that you guys saw the boat, I updated you guys. Show me love in the comments, man. Y'all the reason why I came out and did another video, you know, just to update everybody on what's going on, because I feel like I owe it to y'all. You know, you guys subscribe to me and watch the videos, comment, you show love, you message me, and I feel like I have to come on here and show you guys love. But y'all already know what it is, man. It's Chopper, and I'm still here. I ain't going nowhere. So I love every single one of y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know what's up, man. I'm out of here. See ya.